Hey, what's up guys? Today I want to show you how to create a playback scene for your MADRIX plexus box to use these MADRIX plexus box in standalone mode without a computer. And the first thing, I already connected the MADRIX plexus to my computer via USB. I can show it to you here under Tools and Plexus Configuration, and you see this is my MADRIX plexus that I connected. So first of all, you must create here a new configuration that you must want to upload it. So I create a new configuration and name it, for example, my show, and click here on OK. And then these show can contain different type or different kinds of scenes. And if I click here on plus, I can add the scene and click here on import. But the problem at the moment is we don't have any DXD files. So I will show you how to create these DXD files. So now I will, if you have some content, I will load a setup that I created for a nightclub, so that we have some content that I can show you. Here we have some nice content that I created here, and so we must to record something to create a scene for the playback box. So we need to go here to Window and say Recording, and then this is an old MREC file, so I will delete it so that's nothing confusing for you. Now I can start to recording this, so I click here on the Start button, and everything that's working this player is recording right now. So I change a little bit around and see some nice effects here that I've created, or this for example. And then I click here on Stop and make sure that everything is working. So now I also must name the file and say first scene, for example, and say save. And now I have these MREC file. But the problem is with these MREC file I can't export these to the MADRIX plexus box, so I must to convert this to an DXD file. You also have the possibility to editing your recording and see what's in there. So if I click here on play, or first of all recording editing, and then here on play, then you can see what did you record it. And you can also edit some the starting point, or you can change the fade in or fade out things, and say if you click here on blend, then you have a small fade in at the beginning, for example. But this is only for your information. To convert your MREC file into the DXD file, you must click here on Plexus Conversation and convert this file. So you must select the MREC file here and then click on this plus sign or plus button here. And now you can click here on Generate to generate the DXD file, and then you can see it here above. The DXD file is already created, so we can put these in our show. So I close this window and go back to Windows, or for example Tools, Plexus Configuration, and then I must select my show and click here again on this plus sign and click here on import. And now you can see we have a DXD file that we already created. And now I must click here on open and also OK. And then everything is in there. You can also see how the duration is, all the frames per second, and all other status and properties of this scene. So before we are ready to go, we must go to the Plexus and plug in the SD card where the scenes are stored. So I put the SD card in the Plexus. On top of it, you have an SD card slot where you put the SD card in and close. And then you must select on which Plexus box you want to upload these show. And then the only thing you must do is click here on upload, and make sure that before you uploading the show that everything is deleted on the card, that show that you don't have any data that you need, because the MADRIX plexus box will formatting the complete SD card. So I must say okay, yes, I want to do formatting everything so that we have a complete empty card. And it says also here formatting SD card. And then you can see the upload is started, and also here you can see it on the plexus that says uploading first scene. And now your configuration is uploaded, and you can see it on the MADRIX plexus box that these scenes are played right now. So if I go to playback, I can see that the scene that I've already created is running on my plexus box, and then you are ready to go and can run these MADRIX plexus without a computer in the stand-alone mode. Thank you for watching, and if you have any further questions, write a comment below and I'm glad to help you out, guys, and see you in the next video.